Hey, welcome to another episode of What the Heck Are We Doing at Minnesota Implement? And oh my God, AI is going to destroy my life. That's what everybody's screaming right now. I don't know that it's true. I've just spent hundreds of hours doing research on AI and websites and YouTube and still in the middle of it. So, I'm just walking around the shop right now. Figured I would shoot a quick video in reference to, we'll just, and there's my very high-end office, which is piled with crap, and there's my computer. And yeah, we're doing a bunch of research, but the question that everybody says is AI going to destroy the world, destroy our jobs, everything else? And for garage mechanics, welding shops, everybody else, I don't think so. It's not that AI can repair this engine or replace that transmission or build that car or even weld this product. Can AI assist in, let's say, installing data into the plasma cutter and make a better part for the plasma cutter? Sure. If you were a robotic welding station, could AI manipulate the welds better than just programming them? Or AI even identify a bad weld and go back and flag it for inspection? Yeah, but it's not even on robotic welding, that's all static programming. The AI isn't going to change that. And for custom product like this, we still need a person behind the machine. Same with when you're dealing with fork trucks and inventory. Sure, Amazon is going to get updated by AI, and their speed and efficiency is going to be massive compared to. But the regular warehousing shop where you're still dealing with odd inventory and inconsistent unloading of trucks and that, AI is going to have a hard time adapting to that, at least for the next 10 years. But of course, everybody on the opposite side is saying it's just a fad, it's just a trend, it's not going to last. I look at that a lot like I do the people that didn't believe in the horseless carriage was going to be viable, or that Polaroid was never going to be outdated, or Kodak failure to adapt to digital imagery. Is there going to be a crash in AI itself? Sure there is. There absolutely is going to be a crash in AI because you've got 200 companies developing products. There's not going to be enough room in the market for 200 companies to succeed. So eventually there will be a crash and AI will collapse. But what you're going to end up with is just like the .com or like the internet companies. You'll end up with 6 maybe big corporations owning the full platform. And so it isn't going away. High-end technology and AI is going to be the wave of the future. And I personally believe that failing to adapt to it is going to be much like people saying, I don't want to learn how to use the internet, or I don't want to learn how to use a computer. I don't think it's going to be implemented as a you must know AI or you die, which is what the world likes to propagate right now. But I do believe that those that fail to adapt to learning it are going to be limited in moving forward. That AI can be used to increase efficiencies and marketing and stuff like that. But do I believe that the entirety of your marketing team should be eliminated? No. Your marketing team should know how to use AI in order to increase productivity. But anyways, yeah, that's kind of my opinion on things. I don't think that AI is going to save the world. I don't think that AI is going to destroy the world. But I think that corrupt people using AI for sure could collapse their financial markets, or AI not having to pay for its own footprint, i.e. free electricity, ignoring city codes and boundaries, free water, all of that. Sure, that could destroy civilization. But AI itself is no different than electricity. Needing to be near a waterfall and a running water source in order to do production is no longer necessary because electricity exists. But the scare was that electricity was going to destroy humanity because it was so dangerous. Sure, electricity is dangerous if it's misused. And I think the same thing is true of AI. The problem that we have right now is that we have a lot of corrupt individuals using AI for bad things. And that's where the danger comes from, not from the AI itself. But anyway, I am just a dumb welder, dumb mechanic, company owner of 28 years trying to find new ways to survive and spending a whole lot of my effort trying to learn new things and learn how to better market my company. And I've been dug in on this for about 6 months now in learning new things and trying to evolve as things go. But thank you for watching, and hopefully I will be posting more videos with more updates. I'm still new at this, but thanks for watching.